Hey fan collectors, it's Hayden here with another video. Here, let me just move this real quick. Is that better? Should be. Hey fan collectors, it's Hayden here with another video. This is a remake video of the Hampton Bay Glendale ceiling fan in the bedroom in my grandmother's house. It's dated April of 2010 and nice fan. It blows a great amount of air. I just cannot believe how much air this thing moves for a Hampton Bay Home Depot fan. And there's two of them in this house, but I'm only filming this one today. The other one has a bad capacitor, so I can't do that one. I already have a video on that one. And yeah, just give you a nice look out at it. Top shot of the blades, motor housing, and all that stuff. And yeah, now we're gonna demonstrate the fan. First, the light works. There are 3 CFL bulbs in here. These are the bulbs that came with the fan when it was new in box. And right now it has cherry blades facing down, and it went over a bronze motor. And we got nice glass shades. Now for the fan, starting with low. And it's a nice low speed. It's more of like I feel a breeze all the way back here. It's like a wonderful fan. I do feel a breeze coming down on my legs all the way. I'm standing all the way against the door right here. And I do feel a gentle breeze coming from it. Even when standing under it, I feel a breeze. Just a small little breeze from it. It's got a nice little speed. I like it. Medium. Medium speed it's a little bit wobbly on medium though, but it's definitely moving some good air. Even on the bed I feel a little bit as well. Now high. This thing is ridiculously powerful. Very, very large amount of air coming out of this fan. It is a great fan. I'm glad they're still made today. Oh my god, this thing is so powerful. This thing moves a lot of air. Even all the way from the bed. It's even moving the curtains behind me as well. That's how powerful this thing is. Probably the best Hampton Bay fan out there. They're really good fans. While the blankets are all cold now too because of how powerful the fan is. And I absolutely like this fan very much. Some great air movers as well. It's high with the lights. Yeah, it does move. Yeah, this is what it looks like with the light on. It's moving the curtains over there too, as well. And we're gonna turn it off.